Hello and welcome to the channel. Today we'll take a look at the Apple stock. Before we proceed, disclaimer, this video is for educational purposes only and it is not a financial advice. Okay, so we took a look at this stock in a video published yesterday. I will try to post a link to that. And in the video we were discussing that we are looking for the stock to hit $1.55, spot 55, as the kind of our target where we have the support coming in. And we even wrote down that here you can see that. Let me try removing this, moving this a little bit lower. 61.8% retracement of this comes around 55, 55, 155, 55 cents. Now, in the video, I briefly describe how we got our upside target of anywhere between 182 to $188 per share, and then price was not able to overtake that level and rotated lower, and how we were looking at this potential support to come in, and this was done weeks in advance. This target was forecasted. You can go and have a look at our previous videos posted on the channel on Apple, and you will see how we were working out this level. You will also be able to see a video in which we go through the longer term cycle, which there is still possibility that longer term correction might be in play, but we'll have to evaluate things as we go. Okay, so now just concentrating on this move today. So what we can see is that it was a sharp move lower. Actually, the stock opened a gap down, and then it continued. The sell-off continued. Started moving lower and lower and lower, till it hit this level of $155 per share, which we had been talking about. And the really interesting thing to note about is the symmetry which we had between here, this and this. So these are equal moves, and it's a very strong kind of a move up. So price rejected lower prices. So it's really important that how the price is going to trade over the next few sessions, particularly tomorrow and on Wednesday. I believe the Fed is coming out with some sort of announcement, perhaps on Wednesday. Not really sure about that. We just look at the price section. So what we are looking at now is, let's take a look. If we draw a retracement level, we have this 38.2 retracement coming in around 163.70. And let's take a look of the larger cycle above. And what we get is 165 here. So we have a confluence zone coming in around $172 per share here. So that is likely to be strong resistance if price were to get there. Strong. So in that region, it's going to be a strong resistance if the price is able to move there. So we'll have to really take things one step at a time. And what we are really looking for is perhaps for the market to get up to this point in the short term, and then perhaps it can get up to $172 per share level. We really have to see how the price is going to trade, and especially around this strong resistance, if it is going to get up there. Because there is a possibility, as we discussed in our earlier videos, that this could be a correction in the larger cycle, which is this AB, ABCD here, and which could mean that actually the price could pull down all the way to 132, $133 per share, roughly around this region. So whether this will happen or not, we'll have to see. So at the moment, what we are going to do is we are just going to look at the price action over the next few sessions, especially the next few days, and then we'll have to make decisions how the stock is actually trading. But it did hit our target of what we were looking at. Now we are looking for the price to rotate higher, with the first kind of target around $163 per share, and a stronger resistance coming around 172 $173 per share level. All right, thank you very much for watching the video. If you look like our analysis and how we look at different stocks and perform the technical analysis, please do like the video and subscribe, and also click on that bell icon. That way you'll know when the new videos are being posted. Thank you. Bye.